Think eating healthy is expensive? You're not alone. With $15 salads, $10 smoothies, and endless superfood ads flooding your feed, it's easy to assume that fitness and nutrition come with a hefty price tag. That eating clean means shopping organic only, blending powders you can't pronounce, and blowing half your paycheck at boutique markets. But here's the truth. Eating well doesn't have to drain your wallet. In this video, we're busting the myth that healthy food has to be fancy and showing you how to fuel your body on a budget that actually works. You'll learn smart, sustainable strategies to eat clean, support your workouts, and build real momentum, using everyday ingredients, simple swaps, and cost-effective habits. No overpriced juices. No trendy health fads. Just practical, proven tips that fit your lifestyle and your budget. Because real health isn't about how much you spend. It's about how intentionally you choose. Let's talk about one of the smartest ways to eat healthy and stretch your food budget. Buying in bulk. At first, it might feel like a big commitment. Larger quantities, bigger bags, fuller carts. But over time, bulk buying dramatically reduces your grocery costs and keeps your kitchen stocked with real, nourishing food. Think staples like rice, oats, lentils, beans, and frozen vegetables. Nutrient-dense, shelf-stable, and endlessly versatile. These foods form the backbone of countless healthy meals, and when bought in bulk, they last for weeks. You also cut down on packaging waste, avoid overpriced single-serve items, and minimize impulse buys that add up fast. It's more than a shopping strategy, it's a mindset shift. A one-time investment in ingredients that power your week, your workouts, and your wallet. Simple, efficient, smart. Want to save money, eat better, and take the stress out of mealtime? Here's the move. Master the meal prep game. Meal prepping isn't just a trend. It's a high-impact habit that gives you control over your food, your budget, and your goals. By cooking in batches, you streamline your week. No more last-minute takeout. No more wandering the kitchen wondering what to eat. No more wasted ingredients forgotten in the fridge. Prep once and win all week. Picture this. Grilled chicken, roasted veggies, and a big pot of rice or quinoa. Mix and match in different combos, add sauces or spices, and you've got nutritious, delicious meals ready in minutes, not hours. It's efficient. It's customizable. And it's a game changer for anyone looking to eat clean without spending extra time or money. Less waste. Fewer cravings. More consistency. Your wallet will thank you. So will your future self. 3. Seasonal produce is cheaper and fresher. Here's a simple strategy that saves money, boosts nutrition, and supports the planet. Shop seasonal produce. When you buy what's in season, you're getting fruits and vegetables at their peak flavor, peak nutrition, and peak affordability. No artificial growing methods. No long-distance shipping. Just food the way nature intended. Fresh, vibrant, and budget-friendly. Think watermelon in the summer, citrus in the winter, leafy greens in the rainy season. These foods are naturally abundant, which means lower prices, better taste, and fewer preservatives. Local farmers markets and roadside stands often offer incredible deals, not to mention fresher produce harvested just hours before you buy it. Eating seasonally also connects you to the rhythm of the earth, and your body responds in kind. Lighter fruits when it's hot, heartier vegetables when it's cold. It's intuitive nutrition that makes sense for your wallet, your well-being, and the world around you. Cheaper, fresher, smarter. That's the power of seasonal eating. Go plant-based more often. Let's face it, meat can get expensive. But cutting back doesn't mean cutting corners on nutrition. In fact, going partially plant-based is one of the smartest ways to save money and nourish your body at the same time. Budget-friendly powerhouses like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and eggs deliver solid protein without the high price tag. And they're not just filling. They're packed with fiber, minerals, and metabolism-boosting nutrients that support energy, digestion, and recovery. Swapping in plant-based meals a few times a week can drastically lower your grocery bill, while keeping your meals colorful, satisfying, and nutrient-dense. It's not about going all or nothing. It's about flexibility, making choices that are good for your body, your budget, and the planet. So go ahead, build that lentil stew, stir-fry some tofu, whip up a chickpea salad. Save money. Eat clean. Feel amazing. 5. Smart snacks, not pricey packaged stuff. Forget the overpriced protein bars and trendy packaged snacks. You don't need a label to eat clean. The truth? Most of those grab-and-go options are loaded with added sugars, preservatives, and a hefty price tag. But fueling your body doesn't have to come in a shiny wrapper. Go back to basics with simple whole food snacks that cost less and nourish more. Think: a couple of hard-boiled eggs for protein on the go. Peanut butter on whole grain toast for a balanced energy boost. A banana mixed with oats for fiber, carbs, and natural sweetness. These no-fuss snacks are quick, portable, and deeply satisfying, keeping you full without the crash. Plus, you know exactly what's going into your body. No mystery ingredients, no marketing gimmicks. Just real food, real fuel. Simple, affordable, clean. That's smart snacking done right. 6. Use the no-spend challenge. Here's a clever way to save money, reduce waste, and sharpen your kitchen skills. The no-spend challenge. Once a month, commit to this simple rule. For one full week, don't buy a single grocery item. Instead, cook only with what you already have in your fridge, freezer, and pantry. At first, it might feel limiting, but give it a day or two, and you'll be surprised. You'll start to get creative, combining overlooked ingredients into delicious new meals. You'll clear out clutter, make room for fresh staples, and finally use that bag of lentils or frozen spinach. And most importantly, you'll save money without sacrificing nutrition. It's a fun reset that builds awareness, cuts down on food waste, and reminds you just how much you already have. Resourceful, budget-friendly, surprisingly satisfying. That's the power of the no-spend challenge. You don't need pricey powders, subscription meal kits, or daily smoothie runs to fuel your fitness journey. With a little planning and a few smart swaps, healthy eating can be simple, consistent, and totally affordable. No stress, no gimmicks. Now we want to hear from you. What's your go-to budget-friendly health hack? Drop it in the comments and help someone else eat clean, save money, and get stronger. One smart choice at a time. And if this helped you rethink what healthy really looks like, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, so you never miss a money-saving wellness tip from Akraks Health and Fitness. Because staying strong shouldn't cost a fortune, just a little intention.